Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my recipes. So today I'll be making this amazing jollof rice. This jollof rice was super delicious and the color was just so beautiful. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm using jasmine rice for this recipe. Please feel free to use any rice of your choice. I'm using tomatoes paste, one seasoning stock, salt, mixed seasoning, cloves, black pepper, and Negro pepper. Here I have red bell pepper. I have fresh tomatoes. All these ingredients are all washed and cleaned very well. And then I'll be using this stock that I kept in my fridge. This stock was from my last recipe, which was the turkey wings pepper. And I have ginger, onion, and garlic. And then for the vegetable oil, I'll be using groundnut oil. Please use any oil that you want. So all my ingredients are all cut very well, and I'm just going to combine all together and blend them. I'll be blending it off camera. So I just add in my tomatoes, red bell pepper, onion, ginger, and the garlic. And now I add in my spice. You can add any ingredient that you want to add. Just add a little bit of water and then I'll blend. So I've finished blending and now I'm going to start preparing the stew. So I have my pan already on the fire and I'll just add in the oil. And then I'll be adding my chopped onions. I'm going to be frying this onion for about 1 minute. And I'm doing this on a medium heat. And then after that, I'll be adding in my tomato paste. And I'll be frying the tomato paste for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding in the fresh blended ingredients. So now just adding my blended ingredient. Now I'm going to stir and I'll cover it halfway and allow it to cook or until it is reduced into half. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. So this have been cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes now and it's reduced already into half. I'll give it a stir and I'll add in my stock. I'll stir and I'll cover it, and then I'm going to allow it to cook very slowly on a low heat. So let it stay on the fire and let it cook very slowly until it reduces on its size completely. So as you can see, all is well cooked and the oil is settled on top. That is to say, the stew is getting ready. At this point, if you want to add in your rice, you can go ahead, but I want a nice brown gravy color, so I'm going to let it cook once again, but I'll be adding in the rest of my ingredients. So here I have the mixed spice, And I'm just going to be using about half of the Maggi stock because of the stock that I added is already having that flavor that you need for your rice. So I just add just half of it and then stir. After that, I will test for salt. If there is need to add salt, I'll go ahead and add salt. So there's still needed salt, and I just add about a tablespoon. I'll stir it and I'll allow it to cook very slowly until I get that beautiful golden brown gravy color that I want. So as you can see, the stew is ready. This is the perfect color that I want. I'll just give it a stir. When making this stew, you really need to take your time because you really need to lower the heat and let it cook very slowly until you get this gravy that you want. So I'm just going to scoop out part of the gravy. I will not be using all, or it depends the quantity of the rice you will be using. And I've already washed my rice, and I'm just going to go ahead and add in the rice. And I'll be stir frying this rice for about 1 minute before adding water. So at this point, I'll go ahead and add in my boiling water. I'll just give it a stir and I'll allow it to cook on a medium heat. If the pot you are using is very light, then you need to change the stew before adding the rice. So the rice is almost done. As you can see, I'll cover it again and allow it to cook slowly because I don't want it to get burnt. Jollof rice is easy to get burnt, so when making jollof rice you need to take it easy so you don't get all the rice got burnt. And as you can see, this jollof rice is ready to be served. I had mine with turkey pepper. You can have yours with anything. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe and stay safe. I will see you all in my next